Today we are here to ask and answer one simple question. Was ChatGPT able to predict the price of XRP, Cardano, and Bitcoin for the month of March? Let's find out. If you're new to the channel, we play a game with ChatGPT where we have it predict the price of a particular cryptocurrency each month. Then the following month we take a look, see if they were right or see if they were wrong. Over the last 6 to 12 months, ChatGPT's really been struggling. However, over the last month or two, they've been improving. So let's see how they have done for March. Since we're already sitting on Bitcoin, let's take a look at Bitcoin right now. The bullish guess was 74,200, range 72,800 to 76,000. Bearish range was 59,400, range 57,800 to 61,200. And then we had the official guess. This is the guess that counts. This is the one that matters. 68,900, range 66,500 to 70,500. If we take a look at today, we had a decent range from 67,456 all the way down here to 66,000, almost exactly. So we are actually in the official range. This is fantastic news for this month at least. ChatGPT was able to predict the price of Bitcoin. Nice and easy. Let's jump over to Cardano next. All right, and now we have Cardano. The bullish guess was 33 cents. The range was 31 cents to 35 cents. The bearish guess was 22 cents, range 20 cents to 24 cents. The official guess, this is the guess that actually matters, 28 cents, range 26 cents to 30 cents. All right, since the guess is for the end of the month, we did miss out on the official price point by a little bit, by about 4 days. But if we take a look at the end of the month, we're around that 24 cent range, either just over or just under, depending on where in the chart you look. So unfortunately, at this point in time today, we did not get the official guess for Cardano with ChatGPT. We did hit the bearish scenario, so if you want to give it a half a point, you're more than able to. Like I said, over the last couple months, ChatGPT has actually been locking on. The bearish price is actually the price it's been landing on the last 2 to 3 months. But this month seems to be a little bit better. With Bitcoin, we have the official guess landed. With Cardano, we have the bearish. Let's see where we landed with XRP. And now we have XRP. The bullish guess was $2.05, range $1.95 to $2.15. The bearish guess $1.12, range $1.05 to $1.20. Official guess $1.48, range $1.40 to $1.56. All right, when it comes to XRP, we were close to the official guess over the last week or so. We just seem to fall out of that guess range. And unfortunately, where we landed right now is kind of in between the two guesses, between the official guess and the bearish guess. So this month, we do not have a win with XRP. ChatGPT was unable to predict the price of XRP for the month of March. Let me know in the comments section below what you think of last month's guesses. It seems like since the markets have kind of been calming down, chilling out a little bit, ChatGPT is starting to regain some momentum, starting to get these predictions at least somewhat close again. Like I said, for the last year, 6 months or so, things were really bad. They were way off, and it seems to be clicking in a little bit. So let me know in the comment section below what you guys think. Are there any other cryptos you would like to see me add to the crypto guessing game? And over the next day or so, we will get the new predictions out. With that being said, hopefully you liked this video. If you did, like, subscribe, leave a comment. Take care, spike your hair, and I do hope you have a blessed day. Peace.
Futures here, no turning back. Digital coins in a virtual pack. Decentralized, we'll take the ride. No more chains, we're wild inside. Coin rising,